Yeah, hello, it's Desert from Desert's Diecast here again. Bit of a combo going on here. We've got a Komatsu PC200 made by NZG. Very nice wee model. A lot of attention paid to the hose detail. Very authentic looking machine. As with most of the models I sell, individual cleats. Very great detail on the track gear. I've got this sitting on a DAF made by WSI models, twin steer. Very nice low loader trailer. All the back wheels can be steered at the back. Bit of a tiny load for this thing with a little digger on the back, but it's a nice combo. As for the digger, trailer has very nice hose detail running down through. Front can be dropped down. Yeah, implements can be driven off the front of the trailer. There. Nice detailed engine bay. A lot of thought being taken into that. Looks very nice. Also in the background, you can sell these trailers as a separate item, so if you've got a tractor unit you want to hook a low loader behind, we can certainly do that. Thank you. Check these out at www.desertsdiecast.co.nz. See ya.